This is our cherry tomato house, and we had some sawdust left in the truck after we did an additional house, but we ran out before we got all this one completed, putting down the sawdust. So consequently, the weeds have come up in here almost overnight, and it kind of shows you how much good the sawdust does. And our spring was winter for so many extra weeks this year that nothing grew very fast. But since it turned warm, everything has gone wild growing. Even our cherry tomatoes, they are just growing leaps and bounds. So my wife has to get in here today and tie them up again because they're growing up so tall they're falling over. And I'm going to bring the tiller in and till as much as this I can, and then tomorrow Jeremiah, our son, has gone to get another load of sawdust, and tomorrow we're going to cover everything else that isn't covered with sawdust. We're opening up the ends of our house so we can get a little better circulation in here now and keep it a little cooler, because when that sun shines it gets hot in a greenhouse, and so we need a lot of circulation and also we need some breeze blowing around to pollinate our tomatoes and our cucumbers, which are in here. So it just gives us something to do in our spare time. I just brought the tiller over and the bucket on the bobcat, and so I'm getting ready to till everything in there I can. Getting ready to put out more sawdust.